We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding.
Well, my first experience with Abacus was awesome. Eddie was timely, gave me a complete explanation and estimate prior to starting, and signed me up for the annual plan. He was very pleasant and professional, and my family is very pleased. He covered his shoes each time he entered my house, and before he left, he swept up all the debris from the repair. Top notch. Thank you for sending Eddie. He deserves an A+ rating.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.